Alright! My first Cactus Jack, guys. Unboxing now. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, Jesus, miga. Sus, box pa lang, guys. Very nice. Very warm. Thank you, thank you. Then, we have... BI. Stickers, of course. The ever sticker of Cactus Jack Jordan. Oh! Mag-share sa usang kuwan, guys. Sa usang cover. Wow! Ayan na! Ding, 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 ding. Oh, this could be hot talaga. Ayan na! Ang pinaka, nag-lock houses, kita rin dyan. Oh, awesome. Yeah, the trademark, the reverse swoosh. Swoosh. Yeah, the other one. Let's open another one. Oh, another one. Then, of course, mga extra laces. There are more extra laces. Yes, black, then green with black. Then I say pure green. All right. So.